So what does the result, the product, the outcome of integration look like? While there is no checklist or template for us to follow, here are some of the characteristics we should strive for. First, the new understanding should be a cognitive advancement. It should advance our understanding of the world. It isn't a summary of what has been said and done already. It's an entirely new insight, new idea, new meaning of the problem. And it would not have been possible through a single discipline. Second, the new understanding should be formed from a variety of insights. The result of integration is a connection between insights that don't fit, or between those that wouldn't normally be connected due to the boundaries between disciplines. Psychologists usually collaborate with other psychologists, and sociologists usually collaborate with other sociologists. Interdisciplinarians can be the bridge between two or more disciplines, connecting psychologists to sociologists, and connecting both disciplines to many others, like business, medicine, and environmental studies. Third, the new understanding should be created without a pre-existing pattern. Interdisciplinarians follow the IRP and arrive at new ideas about the problem, ones that encompass and represent multiple disciplinary insights. They explain what and how they integrate when they share their work with the community, whether it be through a publication or a lecture or a speech. Take note of this because when you write about your experiences in the INTG program, you'll want to be clear about what and how you integrated insights from your two disciplines. Here are a few of the other characteristics associated with the new meaning that integration produces. It might seem obvious, but we should acknowledge that the new meaning should be different from the insights it integrates. The whole should be different than the sum of its parts. Integration is more than just adding up a bunch of insights. It's more than simply writing a paragraph or two about each insight and then following up with the conclusion paragraph. The new meaning should be inclusive of all relevant information. At each step of the IRP, we've stressed the importance of finding all relevant disciplines, all relevant theories, all relevant insights, and so on. The product of integration then should represent all of this information collected as part of the study. Steps 7 through 9 can help us sift through this information and create the new meaning we are striving for. Finally, the new meaning should be produced by either partial or full integration. While full integration is the goal, we could argue that no interdisciplinary study can identify, evaluate, and integrate every single insight known to humankind. Full integration may be impossible for some problems or research questions. Depending on the situation, there could be tens of thousands of relevant insights. For this reason, many interdisciplinary studies are technically partial integrations of insights. You will partially integrate two disciplines as a student in the INTG program. Now that you are more familiar with what integration is, what we integrate, how we integrate it, and the result we are hoping to achieve through the IRP, you are more prepared than ever to proceed with steps 7 through 9 in the remaining weeks of the semester.